Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be installing a curly wig on one of my clients. It's a lace closure wig. She wanted something just big and natural looking, a little shoulder length, maybe a little past shoulder length, and then she wanted some curly bangs to just make her life so much easier. She loves curly hair, so she's gonna love this curly install that I'm about to do on her. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned and watch the transformation. We are back with another banger. Oh my God.
Stop it.
This is
This is ridiculous.
Hair. Woo! We're gonna try these wigs on today.
What the hell? Girl, you wouldn't be able to tell me nothing if my natural hair is like this.
Yes. I was just
Stop. I'm gonna be so stuck up. Do you see the scalp? This is nuts. This is that Troy Polamalu hair from the Steelers. This is that Hawaiian hair. Like, that's nuts. Nah. Damn. That is crazy.
None of
I
it.
guess I would have to put it up to go to the bathroom. It's just a lot of hair.
You might have to swing it to the side a little bit.
Who is wearing this?
Hey.
Someone tall? For a photo shoot?
Maybe.
This photo shoot hair.
This is for real.
This is photo shoot hair. That is nuts. It's so What the hell? You know what though? It wasn't even heavy. Like I moved it.
No. Yeah, it's not.
It wasn't heavy at all. That was nuts. Choir director? I don't know if you sold it with that, John Legend. I used to be a choir director.
Hold it. Like John Legend. I don't know if we're all in there with the choir.
I used to be a choir director? That's where you're going with this? Okay. Now these two. Yes! Come on, curls! I laughed your video. You said once you get raw hair, you won't go back.
Once it happens,
I was like, she's ready.
like, you're gonna.
She's ready. Okay, I need to stop having the attitude that I'm hiding my hair now because I actually be having hot crop now. I need to get out of my bald-headed hoe face. I still feel it on the inside.
I'm still working on it. No, it's been worked on.
Like,
No, you got a lot of hair
you
now.
got hair, you can, you know. It's okay, girl. Yes, this cut. Girl, you're just giving me so much life. Life before the new year. This is so nice. Thank you. I'm so happy. That's all. Girl, I just assumed I was going to get the wig in January.
No, I was so trying to do it before Christmas. I was like, oh my God, I had nothing in the morning.
With the, I don't know, you know, I don't know about the cut. Like, I was emailing you and stuff. I really just thought I'd see you in the new year. I didn't know, like, I would get the new wig. Like, I get to wear this while I'm doing my gumbo. I I got a wig to wear while I'm about to be stirring stuff.
Yes, to throw on too. Not even like.
And my hair is just braided down perfectly, so it's just gonna slide on. Girl, no struggle.
You can just
stop. My family's not gonna know.
Lather it up with all the juices and berries. Throw your wig
Throw my wig on and go.
And go. Yes! I'm about to.
Girl.
I didn't even bring it today. I'm so upset because I was supposed to wash it and flat iron it. My curly hair I had on the other day.
I'm so happy.
Boom! What hair? It's mine.
It's so perfect. If my twist out look like this, I wear my hair out. One day, maybe.
No, it will.
Like
No,
if my hair
one
did
day.
this, I wear it out. It's gonna be when I'm like 35.
She said 35. No, she's like maybe when I have kids one day, and you know I'm doing my daughter's hair natural, and then
in the photos, you know, the baby pictures. Girl,
Woo.
look good.
There we go.
Don't play.
There we go.
Don't play.
Natural look out the door.
Don't. Out of here. So fluffy.
I know it is.
I want you to remember this moment.
And I love the length. Like,
This is how long my hair.
The length.
I love it that length, and I can't wait to flat iron it because I want like really big, like natural curls.
oh.
When I flat iron it.
Oh,
That's what I'm gonna go for.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm going for. I'm about to do it. That might be my New Year's look. Yeah.
I like
I'm gonna
that.
do it.
Oh, I see what you're
That'll
talking
be
about.
my
I see what
New
you're
Year's
talking about.
look.
Okay.
Yes.
But I like just out the door. You just water in a
Literally.
in a
Make it a little shapely, and then you're out the door.
cake.
Done.
Okay. Perfect.
Yay!
I'm so happy.